Welcome back, my dear students, on my YouTube channel. I am GD Sir from LPM Public School. Today, I am going to explain the chapter One Child, One Teacher, One Book, One Pen. It is the second part of the chapter, and if you have no seen the first part of the chapter, then you go to the my channel and press the icon of the channel and get the first part of the video. Okay, so let's start the video, and before start the video I gave you brief summary of Malala Yousafzai, and I have also explained in a first part of in the first part about the Malala. So listen carefully. Malala Yousafzai is a Pakistani education advocate who at the age of 17 in 2014 became the youngest person to win the Nobel Peace Prize after the surviving an assassination attempt by the Taliban. Yousafzai became an advocate for girls' education when she herself was still a child, which resulted in the Taliban issuing a death threat against her. On October 9, 2012, a gunman shot Yousafzai when she was traveling home from school. She survived and has continued to speak out on the importance of education. Clear? And in the 2013, she gave a speech to United Nations and published her first book, I Am Malala. And this chapter also extract from the book I am Malala. Okay, this chapter also extract from the Nobel Prize winner Malala Yousafzai. It is the autobiography, and what is the name of autobiography? I am Malala. And Malala, uh, and it is now we didn't have much money and much the when after the seeing the condition of his home, and she also explained about his mother's condition. Then he says in the next, we didn't have much money and my parents knew what it was like to be hungry. Okay, my mother never turned anyone away. Once a poor woman came a lot hungry and thirsty to our door. My mother let her in and gave her food, and the woman was so happy. It means here is the Yusuf Malala says that he has no much money for live a better life, and his parents also knew that what is was like to be hungry. It means they already feel about the hungry, and her mother never turned anyone away. It means when someone reached at her home, they never turn back him. And what they do, once a poor reached once a poor reached at home of Malala's home, then her mother, okay, her mother let her in and gave her food. The woman who reached at the home, and when she she gets the food, became very happy. And next I touched every door in the Malala's, and this was the only one open. She said, may God always keep your door open wherever you are. Okay, it means when the Pakistani army cover her home, then he has only one gate wherever she presenting she represent their. May God always keep your door open wherever you are. Okay, it means she always says that wherever, it means always your door became open when somebody else reached at your home, then you represent yourself with the help of the person. Okay, I know my mother is lonely. She was very sociable. All the women of the neighborhood used to gather in the afternoon on our back porch, and women who worked in other houses came to rest. So here is the Yusuf Malala says next, his mother is completely lonely and she is very sociable. Why her mother is very lonely? Because the police of the Pakistan lived at her home and no, not allowed to meet another. But her mother was very sociable, and all the women of the neighborhood used to gather in the afternoon on our back porch. Okay, it is the there is a small orchard in the back of the Yusuf Malala house, and when the all women became rest wanted to rest, they gathered in the back of the Yusuf Malala porch. Okay, and women who worked in other houses came to rest, and many of the women who working in another houses, they also come on the orchard in the Yusuf Malala's. And now she is always on the phone, but nowadays nobody come there, and only one a person, it means her mother, stay there, and he has now only used for the phone. Okay, always used phone to everyone back home, and it's hard for her here as thus does not speak any English. Okay, and she unable to speak English. Our house has all these facilities. Her house has a different kind of the facility like a washing machine, cooler, etc are the many things available, and he has no any lack. But when she arrived they were all mysterious to her. Okay, it means when her mother reached at her home, then she looks every person that is the dress in a police. So he became very uncomfortable, and they are looking as a mysterious for her, and someone had to show. And many of the person who staying her home, they showing her to how to use the oven. Oven is a we can say that it is the part of the wherever we keep some of the food to use for the making a delicious food. And washing machine and TV, okay, etc are the things. As usual, my father doesn't help in the kitchen. I teach him, Abba, you talk of women's rights, but my mother manage everything, and you don't even clear the tea things. As usually, my mother. Okay, here is the Yusuf Malala also commented on her father that he always talked about the women rights, but nowadays he has not help of mother in a kitchen, and her mother manage everything that is she can do in a home, and you don't even clear the tea things. Okay, there are buses and trains, but we are unsure about using them. My mother misses going shopping in China Bazaar. She is happier since my cousin Shah came to stay. Then, as usual, my father doesn't help in kitchen. Oh, sorry. There are buses and trains, but we are unsure about using them. Okay, they are not confirmed to use the bus and train. And her mother also misses going to shopping in China Bazaar. It is the place wherever the many of the persons selling her instruments or things. and she is happier since my cousin Shah, and she is very happier since her cousin, and her name is Shah, came to stay when he stay there, and he has a car and takes her shopping, but it is not the same as the can't talk about her friends and neighbors about what she brought. He has a car and takes her shopping. It means his cousin Shah has a car and he takes her for the shopping, but it is not the same as she can't talk to her friends and neighbors about what she brought. Okay, and when she doing many of the shopping, but he unable to say to his neighbors and friend what she purchased from the market. It is the very difficult for her. Why? Because when the her daughter, it means Yusuf Malala, became shot by the person, then many there are many neighbors and friends became afraid, and it is very difficult to talk with her friends and her neighbors. A poor banks in the house, and my mother jumped. She jumped each day at the slightest noise. She often cries the then huge me, Malala is alive. And when he reached at home, it means uh, Yusuf Jai Malala reached at home. Then her mother looks her, then became very happy, and during this she jumped from the uh, ladder, or the jumped here makes a sudden movement because of the surprise of fear. Okay, she jumped from a place like a radar or a wall, and she slightly noise, and she often cries. What she cries? She cries that Malala is alive. Okay, she says now she treats me as if I was her youngest rather than eldest child. Okay, she also says to her daughter Ismis Malala Yousafzai. What she said that she treats her as if she was her youngest rather than eldest child. Okay, it means she is not a youngest child, she is a eldest child in her family. Okay, when the recover of the Malala Yousafzai and come back from the home, from the hospital at home, and seeing her mother jumped from the door and crying loudly. What she crying? She crying that Malala is alive. Okay. Next, I know my father cries too. She cries when I push my hair to the side and he sees the scare on my head, and she cries when he wakes from the afternoon nap to hear his children's voice in a garden and realizes with a relief that one of them is still mine. Okay, then when her mother cries very loudly, Malala is alive. Then her father heard this word, and he also cried loudly. And what he cried? He cried when I push my hair to the side. Okay, it means Malala also put her hair inside, and he sees the scare of my head. Okay, when her father sees the head of the Malala, he became scared, and he cries when he wakes from an afternoon nap to the hear his children's voice. Okay, he also wake up in a afternoon taking a small sleep, a small sleep in a afternoon, and hearing the his children's voices in the garden, and he realizes with his relief that one of the is still mine. Okay, and when she heard when his father heard a, a many of the sound in a garden, but he also became very surprised when he heard the sound of Malala and become very and relief. Okay, he know people say it's his fault that I was shot. Many of the he knows people say he knows people say it means he know that the people say that it is the her fault, it means his fault. Okay, and I was shot, it means Malala was shot, and that he pushed me speak up like a tennis star trying to create a champion. Okay, it means a parents pushing her or his child to excel. Okay, it here is the uh, Malala says that to many of the parents wanted to her child become good and better in many of the students, and showing he or her is a hero or heroine for his parents. Okay, so as if I don't have my own mind. Okay, it means has a has, Malala is a small as age, and it is not decision of to go to the school and getting the education from the school, and it is the hard from him, and all the blames all the blames drop on the her fathers. Okay, all he worked for even almost 20 years has been left behind. The school he builds up from nothing, which now has three buildings, which uh, 1100 pupils and 70 teachers. I know he felt proud of what he had created, a poor boy from that narrow village between the black and white mountain. So here is the Malala says that her father is a hero. Why? Because her father create a foundation of the education of the uh, person or a child or little children in a small area. It is the village. Okay, and where they give the foundation of the education, in the school there are a 1100 peoples and 17 teachers. Okay, there are 1100 peoples and 70 teachers and three buildings. Okay, he has three buildings, and this feeling is felt him as a proud and what he had created, and it is the achievement of his life, that is he what he create, and a poor boy from that narrow village between the black and white mountain. Okay, and here is the Malala also said that in a village, a poor boy from that narrow village, it means a small village between the black and white mountain, and white mountain. It means he get education in a small village. Okay, so I hope you all understand about this chapter, and it is the second part of the video, and I will take the third part of the video in the next time. So thank you for the watching video. Before the end of the video, I wanted to say that to write a difficult word from this chapter, and also write down in your CW copy, and read all paragraph one by one line. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. Best of luck.